so this trial, as Richard said, it's about the maximum delay in FEMA fruit. Okay, so why did we do it? What's the rationale was there was an increase in way back. We started in 2014 with this trial, and there was an increase in forel food that went for the FEMA program, and also back then there was a problem of smaller producers couldn't fill the room quickly enough. That is not a problem anymore. Okay, so the first objective was how long after harvest can we apply SmartFresh. The results led to the second objective is, okay, we can apply SmartFresh late. How long can we store it? Okay, so what did we do? We found 2 FEMA orchards. We harvested the fruit. After 7, 9, 14, and 21 days, we applied the SmartFresh. We stored it for 6 weeks. Okay, so we found milliness after 6 weeks in the 21-day SmartFresh treated fruit. But so we've got an answer up to 14 days, relatively safe, but we got questions about the 6 weeks. So that led to the second objective, which was last season, the last 2 seasons. We applied SmartFresh 7 and 14 days after harvest, and then we had 3 storage periods, which was your 5 weeks, 8 weeks, and 12 weeks. Okay, so the results for the 2017 and 18 season, we didn't find last year. We didn't find any milliness. We thought, hey, we've got a winning recipe. We decided now go another year, and we found interesting results. So we got 2 orchards we did for FEMA for this trial. The first orchard, we had milliness obviously in the controls. We did a 7-day SmartFresh, as I said, and a 14-day SmartFresh. The shelf life was 20 degrees Celsius, 7 days, and we also included the 14-day shelf life, and still very good results. But then we did the second orchard, and we got some terrible results. We found after 7-day SmartFresh, with the 7-day SmartFresh, we found no milliness, so that's within protocol, but 14-day SmartFresh, we got high, especially after the 8-week cold storage, which is typical your forel scenario. And then after 14 days shelf life, we got some lacquer milliness again. So this led to our conclusion that you can apply SmartFresh and store it for 12 weeks, and you can get good results. But of concern is that not all orchards we can subject to this. Okay. So what's a concern? What factors should we investigate further? If we look at these 2 orchards, if I can compare them, we compare the harvest time. The first orchard where we didn't find any milliness, that was harvested 3 weeks earlier than the one we did find milliness in. So it was 2 different areas. It was a Ceres, or it was a Fireboom, the first one, and the Ceres, the second one. And we suspect that the second orchard had FEMA released for quite a while. It was just a backlog on the farm. So even though our maturity results indicated that the fruit were more or less at the same maturity, that physiology in the fruit already started, which could have resulted in milliness. Okay. And then also we investigated some of the farms, and we found like the tree age differed. Not sure if that plays a role. Also, soil might have an influence, but I mean the study didn't focus on that, so we can't make a conclusion on that. Okay, so there's various factors that play a role. The best advice is keep within your 7-day SmartFresh, and should you go over that, you should do it with caution and make sure your fruit can handle it. Okay.